Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I and my team members going to share something that very important for the future of sustainable construction in Malaysia. The topic of our presentation is implementing on-site greywater recycling system for Malaysian construction sites. Before we go through this topic, my name is Nofatia binti Muhammad Rafi and these are my team members that will contribute to this presentation. I will introduce, this is Ain Farhan, Elia Najwa and Amirul Haikal.
First, what is circular economy? Circular economy is an economic model that prioritizes the reuse, repair and recycling of material. In the construction industry, this concept is very important because we use a lot of material and water but very little of each get reused. Now, I will explain the current practice in the construction industry, especially related to water use. Current wasteful practice in construction for water use. First is overuse of clean water. Fresh water is used once and discharged without reuse, causing high wastage, especially on long-term projects. Second is lack of greywater collection system. So, all wastewater is treated the same, even though greywater from basin or shower can be reused. Without separation system, it wastes with black water. Third is lack of recycling infrastructure. Most sites lack on-site water treatment. Although technology exists, it is often ignored due to cost or lack of regulation. So that the current wasteful practice in water usage at construction site. Now let's take a deeper look at the main problem related to the issue. First,
so now let's move to the problem that we have identified for this project, which is water wastage in Malaysia construction site. Firstly, construction activities in Malaysia consume a lot of fresh water every day. This water is used for many purposes like concrete mixing, curing, site cleaning and dust control. For example, just for concrete curing alone, a typical site may use 1,000 of liters per day. Besides that, after these activities, the used water become a greywater. So the greywater is a waste water that contains dirt, cement, particle, chemical and oil. Unfortunately, most Malaysian construction sites do not have a system to treat or recycle this greywater. It is usually discharged direct into drain or river, causing environmental pollution. Furthermore, this practice not only polluted the environment but also increased operational cost for contractor. The more water they use, the higher the bills water. Also, untreated water discharge can sometimes lead to complaint from the public and even fine from the Department of the Environment. So this is an example photo. The studies conducted on Klang Valley construction site show that some projects spend up to 10,000 ringgit Malaysia a month just on water supply alone.
30 to 50% of the wastewater generated from a utility building is greywater. Greywater is wastewater from non-toilet plumbing system like hand basin, shower board and washing machine. Proper handling of greywater helps to reuse it for non-potable purposes like irrigation and flushing toilet. It is on record that greywater recycling has been shown to reduce water by consumption by up to 40%. This reduced water boost, so a greywater recycling technology is green, sustainable and energy efficiency.
How portable greywater recycling unit works? The whole system. First, on a collection unit, the wastewater from the building is collected and fed into a collection unit using pump or reactive unit or remove contaminant using biological, chemical and physical actions. To treatment unit, the wastewater from the collection unit is pumped to the treatment where ultrafiltration is conducted to remove particle bacteria and virus. Next, storage unit treated wastewater is collected and stored in a designated and spring water can be used to toilet. Greywater recycling, ranging from simple to compact, depend on the amount the generated and the desired level of treatments. Implementation strategy. First, we have installation. The unit arrives fully assembled and doesn't need permanent installation. It's plug and play, meaning you can place it near toilet or wash area. Connect a few pipe and it's ready to use, making it highly practical for construction use. Second is operation. The system is easy to operate for workers only. Needs basic training to handle simple maintenance like filter check. It's run automatically with minimal supervision, freeing up manpower for other site tasks. Third is cost efficiency. It's cost effective because company can rent or buy the unit based on the budget, and the low maintenance keep running costs down. Over time, it saves money on water bills and help meet environmental regulation. Lastly, quick adoption. This innovation fit perfectly into temporary or mobile construction projects. It supports sustainable development and align with green building and standard and ESG commitments.
Cost-benefit analysis of implementing an on-site Greywater recycling system at Malaysian construction site. Firstly, the initial investment includes the cost of the Greywater treatment units, installation, maintenance tool, and trainings. The total upfront cost is estimated between 90,000 unit measure to 39,000 unit measure, depending on the site, size, and system capacity. Once installed, the operating cost is relatively low, around 230 ringgit Malaysia to 350 ringgit Malaysia per month, which cover electricity for the pumps and regular maintenance. Now, the benefit by recycling water from hand washing station, shower, or wash basin at a site can reduce its water bill by 50 to 60% for a site using around 100,000 liters of water per month. This will translate to monthly savings of 600 ringgit Malaysia to 1,200 ringgit Malaysia. Additionally, the system reduces the risk of work delay caused by water shortage, which can cost thousands of ringgit per day in lost productivity. It also supports ESG goals, improve the contractor's sustainable image, and may qualify for green technology incentive or tax relief. Based on our analysis, a mid-sized site could achieve a return on investment within 6 to 12 months. A large site will recover the cost even fast. Overall, the ROI range from 20% to 40% annually, making it a smart long-term decision, both economical and environmentally. In summary, by applying circular economy principles through Greywater recycling, we not only save money but also reduce freshwater demand and contribute to more sustainable construction practice in Malaysia. In terms of sustainable impact, our system helps reduce freshwater consumption by up to 60%, which means saving around 30,000 to 60,000 liters of clean water every month on a medium-sized construction site. This not only eases pressure on local water supply but also lower carbon emission since less energy is needed to pump and treat municipal water. Additionally, by reusing Greywater, we reduce wastewater discharge by nearly half, minimizing the risk of environmental contamination and aligning with Malaysia's green construction goal.
So, in conclusion, our proposed innovation, the portable Greywater recycle unit, provide a simple, affordable, and effective way to manage water use at construction site. By reducing freshwater consumption and recycle Greywater, this solution support the principle of the circular economy and help minimize environmental pollution. Not only does it help contractors lower their water bills, but it also ensures better compliance with Malaysia's environmental guidelines and regulation. So we hope our project encourage more construction companies in Malaysia to adopt sustainable and eco-friendly practices. So together, let's take a small step that can create a big positive impact for the environment and our future. Thank you for your attention. So that's all for us.